At Savage Precision Fabrication, we prioritize competitive pricing without sacrificing quality. Our commitment to innovation and investment in advanced technology allows us to streamline processes, reduce costs, and pass those savings directly to you. As a veteran, woman, and Native American-owned business, we bring diverse perspectives that enhance our operations and strengthen our workforce. We understand the urgency of your needs. Known for our fast production times, we excel in handling urgent and emergency jobs, consistently delivering on our promises as metal fabricators and precision machining experts. Quality is our core value. We are proud to support military aircraft manufacturers like RTX, providing essential components that undergo rigorous testing to ensure safety and performance. Our use of coordinate measuring machine inspections guarantees that every part meets exact specifications. This meticulous attention to detail makes us a trusted partner across industries, and we uphold this commitment to excellence with every project we undertake.